We are gathered here today outside the Home Office to remind those in power that they have a duty of care for public health and safety when it comes to testing pharmaceutical drugs and other chemicals. How much longer are they going to procrastinate to replace animal tests with proven 21st century scientific methods? The pharmaceutical industry must also fulfill its duty of care for public health and safety. At the present time, the pharmaceutical industry is given the choice between continuing to use cruel, outdated, and unreliable animal tests or switching over to human-based test methods. The conflict of interest is glaringly obvious. Put yourself in the position of a CEO of a major pharmaceutical company. To keep their shareholders happy, they need to keep putting new pharmaceutical drugs on the market. If they were to replace the animal tests with human-based test methods, this could seriously reduce the number of candidate drugs in the pipeline. That's because human-based test methods reveal far more of the toxic side effects in new drugs than animal tests. This state of affairs cannot be allowed to continue. It's not good for patients, it's not good for public confidence, and it's certainly not good for the thousands and thousands of animals still being used today as living test tubes, while 21st century technology sits on the shelf. Thank you.